My favorite thing about Jamaica? Well, only the crime I don't like, but everything else is alright.
You love everything else? Oh, cool.
Well, I like the country, it's very cool, you know.
Viral slang, potential kid on a roll with Yassa Nice.
Yassa Nice. Yassa Nice. Yassa.
She does a bubble like a chicken gravy. She make me feel like a little baby. She hold my time, I think I'm Madam Mary.
Yassa Nice, you know. The story about Trenchtown. 27th 3rd Street, Kingston 12. My place, Bob Marley place. Big fish and sprat door, turn your back.
Sissy Mama Lee and she take me share. I heartbeat her like a Oliveira.
My voice a tune and a youth come in and say, what kind of tune this? And I say, I them tune that the girl them want to hear. They say, I say, my general, so when I tell him that, I say, yeah, them tune that girl them want, it's very slack. And I say, anything on my chat slack, it can clean up. So I wonder in my mind, I say, I want the brother here to fight against the tune. They say, I say, my general, so while youth now, I look at virgin, close virgin named Tana, and get it on him phone and I say, all right, the tune ain't really hot, so I now put it out. Him get it on him phone, him say him like it. And him like it, I'm saying it to one phone, and one phone bust the tune. One single phone.
Not over Jesus could it on a savior. Me are the best baby father in a Jamaica. So wind up on me, baby. And move your waistline on me.
Band come say Trenchtown artists them. Band come say borderline I keep around there, so as a local youth. Ever taking the artists them. Cause my favorite artist, you know, a Bounty Killer. So my band come see the thing, I love the thing, I'm a man, I'm born with music.
Yassa Nice, potential kid and keep rich.
We are taking it to the globe. Yassa Nice, you see it?
So you're saying that Yassa Nice, but some people will say Yassa not all that nice.
Yeah, some people will say that. Cause so it go in a Jamaica, yeah, and everywhere else. But Jamaica and everybody are gonna say Yassa Nice. But we Trenchtown people know say Yassa Nice.
But you want it to be better though?
Yeah.
We got the dance Bounty Killer. Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice. Hadisa one, Hadisa one, Hadisa one, yes, Hadisa one.
I only thing we do, we have potential. We can play ball, we can do music. We get #1 in a drama, that's why my music have too much drama in it.
Boy, the girl them say we nice, man. We nicer than the chicken with the rice, man.
Potential, Hadisa one, Hadisa one, Hadisa one, yes, Hadisa one.
Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice, whoa. Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice.
Sure.
She say she want to block like a Nigerian. She want a retox, but she not like she, man.
Girl, just I want to keep me loving, I'm loving for the song. You see me? So more time I ask the girl, so one to me, a song alone, so one to me.
Potential attack and a slim shady.
This next now, you know, at the chart me there I look pan. Lick the big chart, the #1 chart, we can fly all over Europe and them place there, cause the youth them have money in them pocket. I reach we say.
She want my tat like my nana Nike. Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice. Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice, Yassa Nice.
Well, I like the country, it's very cool, you know.